I was chasing shadows, moving too fast. Didn't see the way our love couldn't last. Now I'm stuck replaying.
Pigman's still hopping through. Does he get a hit? He gets one hit. Oh wait, does he keep going? He keeps going though. Anthony behind him. Anthony coming through as well. Another hit.
Oh my god.
Wait, look at. Oh my god. Wait, this is looking in Blue's favor now. Okay, wait, no, it's if Red has to make a pushback, oh, the tower will be down first. Blue comes back with another, smacks it again. Yo, this definitely looks like a blue round. Oh
my god.
How is he still alive?
yo, soccer. Yo, that was a crazy push so far. Wait, Zyphora is coming back too. Hold up.
No way.
Wait, Red Tower about to go away, man. Oh. Oh! Wait, he got 3 hits! Oh my god!
Ever. Come back. If they manage to do this,
It's a 2v1. They got this.
Oh no.
I don't think.
Yo, no, there's 2 red on it. No, there's 2. Wait, blue tower's about to, blue tower's gone. Blue tower's gone. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. This is not even close. How much damage are they taking?
God. They're taking too much. Wait,
Yo.
blue.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm at here. I'm watching this. This is insane. Oh my god. Yo, Zix. Zix's team needs to calm down. What are they doing? Yo, they're gonna take the whole tower with 1 push. Are you watching this team? This is a complete demolish.
If you go in the middle of the nexus, right, and then hit it, it makes you go up instead of back.
Oh, is that the strat?
Yeah.
Yo.
You just die.
Mmm.
You have to like.
Zix is still smacking. This guy is still alive.
So bad.
I think he might get
Oh, the other teammates are still pulling up as well. The tower is definitely gone here. Tower is definitely gone.
Yeah, the tower's
Yeah,
gone.
tower has to be gone.
Oh.
Yup.
Okay, tower's gone.
Yo, this is not even close, bro. No, red is smart for that. Rushing instantly to the bottom.
Oh, they're getting charged by blue. It's contested.
Yo. Oh.
Our 3 red are at. Oh my.
Oh wait, there's instant 2v2. Wait, this is a fast 2v2.
It died. What the hell was that?
They need the resources early on.
Everyone needs that diamonds, bro. Those diamonds
Full
gives you.
pressure.
I believe it's 100 per diamond, right? Which is a lot of pots. So this is fire so far. Okay, well, red on top.
Oh,
JP Miner going for it. Does he make it to the
Zix
top
is
though?
locking
Does he
him
make it to the top? They are. Oh, they're dealing damage. Wait, Zypher's going for it.
Defending.
Wait,
Taking down.
W Zypher, bro. Oh my god, wait, 50 damage. Oh, GP Miner coming through as well. GP Miner also here. Wait, this is. Oh, he didn't make it to the tower. He did not make it. Zypher's still getting hits. Weak hits though, but he's still getting hits.
70. Oh.
That was a good attempt.
That was a really good rush, man. Okay,
There's another
Zix is
blue at the
heading
front.
straight to bridge. Oh wait, right team
Another
again.
blue is
How did
infiltrating.
Anthony get here? How did he get inside? I was not even paying attention. How did he get
Fucking
here?
recharge.
Bridge. I think I'm not.
Oh
sure.
my god, wait,
That's not
they are sending it. Wow, the team I thought that was gonna destroy is currently getting destroyed.
I told you. I have
Wow.
on this one team, man.
Well, okay then. I guess competent was not the right word to
Hey,
use
man,
here.
Really did everything. Awesome.
It's still not over.
Get off here. And there we go. That is a clean wipe. Red is gone a few times.
Oh.
Maybe for semifinals it's a little different.
That might die. It's a 2v1.
Oh my god!
He's gone.
Wait, Jav is dead! 4v5! Swirls has a lead to, oh no, they're getting crit out. Oh no! Swirls is dead!
There you go.
3v5!
No way.
Bro, oh no, Zix getting crit out. Trying to get an opening, but the gate is closed. They cannot get through. They're doing a final push underneath, but I don't think they have a chance. They do not have a chance, I believe. They're getting crit out at the bottom. It's a no, bro. 2 people left.
I think this is dead.
This might be the end. This has got to be the end.
GG's.
Maybe they get the tower. Maybe they get the tower, but there's no way they recover. They can't even get up to the platform.
They can't be
No, bro. This is GG's.
That's GG.
No, this is pure GG. Yeah, Golem dead. Oh my god, bro.
Dude, that was close.
Oh my god. And I had money.
I told you, I had
Yo.
$1,000, bro.
Yo.
It was actually like sports bet, bro. Honestly, like it was actually crazy, bro.
Out of water
Awesome.
going for hits now. 12 damage. Oh my god. And no one's stopping him.
Massive
No,
damage.
we have...
Oh no.
3 reds at the base. This is not good looks yet. But look at Blue's money. Look at Blue's money. Blue does have money to come back.
Run, soccer, run. Oh no. This is
Oh
bad.
no, this is really bad. Oh my god.
Oh,
They're just
no.
getting destroyed. Oh my god! Wait, the tower's gone! Wait, the tower's gone! Oh no! Oh my, wait, no! This is GG's.
No.
They cannot come back unless they do, which I don't think they will. I think red has a very solidified win here.
Come on.
I've yet to see what's gonna happen. I mean, core does more damage, but the tower is gone.
Now y'all should say
There-
mad passive and
And we have one down.
Wow, dude.
Zyphorus out of here. 4 blues left. Is this it? Is this it?
Is this it? Yeah, this is
This might be the final push. I mean, you got to keep in mind when you fight in your own base, you have an advantage. So blue is technically still up here because they have the regen, but they're also down numbers. So who knows? Anthony trying to leave the base and running for his life. He's trying to. Nope. No, Anthony's getting crit out.
And he breaks off to help with the 2v1.
Anthony, please.
GP Miner just takes off. Leaving his team
Soccer
behind.
down.
soccer.
Wait, no, 3 people left.
Down, dude. Should be minded
Oh
back.
no, GP Miner fighting 3 people at once. He's running for his life.
He's stuck.
Oh no, he's gone too.
He's dead.
No, that leaves that. Oh no. And Pigment, where's the final one? Where's Anthony?
Bro, Pigman just died.
Anthony
Final
just
one,
sits at
bro.
the base.
This is the final 1v5. This has got to be. This is GG's for red.
No, dude.
This is
Dude,
the
this
final
a
GG's.
dude.
No GG's.
Oh.
GG's, man.
GG's, man.